19th-20th century inventions that made traveling super easy. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below saying I subscribed to enter this month's shoutout giveaway. Number 1. Scooter luggage. This bag from Micro Kickboard has a foot platform, which acts as a scooter when lowered, bringing an end to baggage bearing woes. Number 2. Metal detector sandals. Now that you've spent your savings on that dream holiday, you may want to start combing the beach for loose change. Slip on a pair of metal detector sandals and start searching for buried treasure on the beach. The sandals will buzz and light up when they detect metal.
These are sandals that have a built-in metal detector, so when you're walking on the sandy beach, you can pick up buried treasure. They're available from...
Number 3. Nabrella. The Nabrella is a handy gadget you can use without needing the use of your hands. It functions just like a hoodie and is worn like a backpack, so that your hands are free to carry luggage with ease through the rain, while making rainy day camping and hiking a whole lot easier. Number 4. Boyfriend pillow. Traveling alone doesn't mean you need to feel lonely. While some pillows help you get comfy, others keep you company, like the Dream Man arm pillow, designed to give you a good snuggle before bedtime. Number 5. Ostrich pillow. You can now take a nap comfortably with ostrich pillows that engulfs your head in soft and warm coziness, blocking out light and noise while you doze in dreamland. Number 6. Beard ski. If company is the last thing you want, you can ward off unwelcome advances with a beard ski, a large bearded scarf or face mask that will keep you warm and make people turn the other way. Number 7. Green grass flip-flops. Once you're back at work and find yourself missing your outdoor vacation, try taking your mind back to those times with green grass flip-flops. It's not real grass, but it's more comfortable than closed shoes and will make you feel like you're still taking a walk through the park. Number 8. Wi-Fi detector t-shirt. You're in a new city or country and want to get hooked up to the internet to contact loved ones and let them know you're safe, or just boast about all your amazing vacation adventures. Instead of going from one place to the next, inquiring whether they have Wi-Fi, just wear a Wi-Fi network detector t-shirt, which will indicate that you are in a Wi-Fi hotspot.
I'm just checking the Wi-Fi signal just to see that it's okay.
USB air-conditioned shirt. All you need is a laptop to charge your shirt, keeping you cool on sweltering hikes or in airports without air condition. Should the air-conditioned shirt power out, it can run on batteries as well. Number 10. Rufus Roo luggage jacket. It's not a dog, and it's not a kangaroo. Rufus Roo is a jacket that solves your excess luggage problem with pockets galore for stuffing in all kinds of items, including chargers and cell phones. Number 11. Traveler's Phrasebook t-shirt. Being lost in translation is a thing in the past, as the Traveler's Phrasebook t-shirt is adorned with global signs that you merely need to point at for assistance. But beware, nothing screams tourist more than using this shirt. Number 12. Bluetooth gloves. Use your hand as a phone and talk into it while keeping your fingers nice and toasty. Bluetooth gloves are wirelessly synced to your phone so that you don't have to pull it out of your pocket, which is also a great way of making yourself a less likely mugging target when having a mobile chat. Number 13. Banana guard. Got the munchies on board or on foot? A good energy booster is a banana, but there's a squash factor to keep in mind when it comes to packing this soft yellow fruit. Banish your black and banana blues by purchasing a banana guard, which will keep your snack intact.
You know, it's probably the banana's fault, and you can just throw it in the garbage.
Number 14. Safe can. If you're paranoid about getting or in a foreign place, then stash your valuables in a safe can. With a screw-in base or top, it's the most unsuspecting object in which you can hide money, jewelry, and other precious items. Number 15. Custom airline seat cover. Should hygiene be your top concern, then you'll want to get yourself a customized airline seat cover. Available in an array of bright and bold patterns, these covers allow you to protect yourself from whatever previous passengers left behind. Number 16. Portable toilet. Campers will love to hear about personal disposable toilets like the Biffy bag. It is sleek and puncture-proof and contains a special powder which engulfs your number 1s and 2s. It even comes with accessories like toilet paper and wet wipes. Number 17. Shiwi. Thought you heard it all when it came to outdoor ablutions? Then you haven't heard of the Shiwi. Like the Biffy bag, it allows you to in public, but discreetly of course. It's not just a great novelty for campers and festival goers, but also for those moments when you find yourself in a far from clean latrine. Number 18. Portable shower. If you're a big outdoors person or you have a major aversion to public bathrooms, then you need a portable shower, allowing you to rinse off and clean up everywhere at any time. It's private, convenient, and easy to assemble. Everything you need to make traveling light and hassle-free. Number 19. King of Swiss Army. When people ask what one item would you want to have with you on a deserted island, it would be a Swiss Army, the kind that comes with 87 tools and can perform 141 functions. Number 20. Portable bonfire log. The bonfire log makes your party fires quick and easy to ignite, and are also a whole lot safer. Once you've got the fire going, get other fires kindling with a romantic firelight. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.